Hey, it's Victor Stewart, and I'm here today talking to stay-at-home moms and stay-at-home dads for whatever reason. You might be looking for an extra part-time job to earn some extra income to, make it through the hard times right now, or you could be on disability or home for whatever reason and looking for something to replace that income. Maybe you're on unemployment right now. Maybe you got corporately downsized, or maybe you lost your job. It could be a hundred different things, but you're on the internet, you click this link because you're looking for something that's honest and genuine where you can make some money from home. You're sick of all the hype and the fluff and all the empty promises. You've seen them. All those ads out there are leader ads, just no different in the online business world than it is in the offline brick and mortar business world. I mean, those ads are designed to sucker people in that are looking for a get rich quick scheme. And I know that that's not you. And so I'm here today to empower you with what I've learned over the course of not only the 20 years sales and marketing background, but especially the last 4 years that I've been looking for a home-based business and spent over $7,500 on programs and different businesses and educating myself as to what to look for and what to stay away from. And I'm here to empower you with that today because number one, the only way that you're going to make any type of money on the internet at all is number one, you have to have a good quality product that people need and people want. You want customers coming to you. You don't want to chase them down. So even if you have a good quality product and you have a good website that'll convert people coming in to sales, then how in the world do you get that traffic out there? You are a website and to millions of websites in the internet. How in the world does yours rise above the rest of the other websites out there? Well, one of the ways is the tool that you're watching right now. I mean, we use cutting edge marketing techniques. They're hot today, working today. Listen, the old school way of getting a list of leads and calling on leads and 100 leads a day to try to make an extra few $100s a month is old school and it doesn't work anymore. Today, you have to stay up to speed with the changing technology and the changing marketing techniques that are working for people now. And one of those ways, as you saw mine, I didn't pay not 1 cent. You've heard about pay-per-clicks and people that are on Google. When you put in your search for Google and you look for work-at-home moms or work-at-home dads, then my site was right there in the top 1, 2, or 3, and I did not pay a cent for that. I'm going to show you how to do that and dozens of other techniques in order to get your message out there so you can market the product that you can make some extra money every month. And if you're looking for an extra $1,000 a month or an insane amount of income, it's totally up to you and the time that you have to put into this. You can put in as little as 5 to 10 hours a week and make a great extra part-time income. But the key is this, my friend. The whole difference between this company and every other company out there, in my experience, is the training and the support. Listen, I don't care what business you go into, in the offline brick and mortar business world or the online business world, the whole key is training and support. The whole key is that learning curve. 95% of the people quit in this business because they don't have anybody to show them how to do this. They get your $47, you never hear from them again. They get your $150, you never hear from them again. I mean, I've spent, like I said, thousands of dollars looking for the right combination, the right business, the right company, the people that I wanted to do business with. And I found it where I'm at now. And what I want to do is give you, first of all, look at the link right here. That is work from home moms. I should say work from home moms and dads, but work from home moms.internetbusinessforyou.com. That's work from home moms.internetbusiness, the number 4, you.com. Go there as soon as this video is over, and I'm going to give you $1,500 worth of this software just to show you the caliber of the products that we have with this company and to show you the training in the back office that we have, the one-on-one mentoring, that we hold your hand every step of the way, that you don't get on the internet and just chat with somebody, but we get on the phone and talk to you and talk you through how to be a success. Hold your hand every step of the way and help you shorten that learning curve where you can make genuine income every single month and replace whatever problems, financial problems, are going on in your life right now. So I'm here to help you do that. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Once you go to the website and check it out, give me a call between the hours of 9 to 5 Mountain Standard Time. My number is 720-318-5504. And why am I doing this? Is because I've been where you are, my friend. I've been frustrated. I've spent thousands of dollars, and I know that what you're going through right now. So I'm here to help you. I'm going to pass it along to you because once you join our team, I have a vested interest in you, and I'm going to invest everything that I can into you to make sure that you shorten that curve as quick as possible and get to be a success in this business as quickly as possible. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.